Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. It's pretty early in the morning here. And today, what I'm going to do, I'm carving 15 Christmas trees. Wish me luck. 15 of them. So what I did, Pete, my buddy Pete helped me cut these out in his bandsaw. I took him over to my carving shop where I do my chainsaw carving and cut this out with my grinder bit. I pre-drilled the holes. Now what I gotta do is carve all the little lines in here. Undercut up under there first, then carve my little stick, whatever, leaf lines. And yeah, wish me luck. So that's what I've been up to. And well, look who has a Carving Fusion mug. So Evil Rick, here's a shout out to you. And it's pretty big too. I don't care how big your coffee mug is, okay? It's just there's no friggin' way that any of your mugs are cooler than this Carving Fusion mug. A great lady in my town, she got this made for me. See how it's all cut in there? She got this made for me and brought it over to me yesterday for a gift. As she's bought some of my Christmas trees and a couple pumpkins and stuff like that, and I'm making her a custom Christmas tree. And she just wanted to say thank you by bringing me this mug. So this is what's going to get me through today, drinking coffee out of this mug. And thanks, friend, for the mug. I absolutely love it. This was, I almost cried when I got it. This is maybe one of the best gifts I've ever gotten, guys. You know, it just kind of shows me it's real. Carving Fusion's real in my head. Cool little wood spirit on there too. I love it. So that's what I'm doing today, guys. Carving Christmas trees. So it just goes to show you, I'm selling them. So you guys, if you want to sell your carvings, carve some trees. I promise you, you will sell them. If you know people that will buy them. But I don't know, I sell all mine. I think I've already, so I'm not going to say how many I've sold, but I'm sick of carving them, but you got to keep going. You know, this is the time of year. Next year I'm going to be starting carving pumpkins in the very beginning of August. You got to get ahead of times, people. Get ahead of times. Rob, Freebreak, keep your videos coming, bud. Love them. And, okay. Carved trees. You guys can see back on a few of my, if you haven't seen my channel before about the trees, you can see a few videos back. I show how I carved these trees. Okay, I'll stop talking. Shut up, Jordy. You guys, this isn't the tutorial on how I do my Christmas trees, but I just want to show you like how I do my lines. You see how they're all flowing one way, not like this. You know, I try and make them all, put them all close beside each other, right? Like even closer than that, and all flowing one way. You know, and from back here, flowing the one way. Flowing like with the wind, right? Because this tree is blowing that way, so I make all the branches flowing this way. Okay, I should stop saying the word flowing, but you know, I just kind of, I see some people do it and their branches are like this, all over the place. You know, I just make mine flowing the one way and put your cut lines right beside each other. Now cross them. Across the line. See how all the lines are running the same way? Whew. Oh, man. Okay, enough of this Dremel 3000 stuff for me today, guys. It's time to pull the beast out. The Dremel Advantage, discontinued. This is the power horse of Dremel, guys. Oh yeah, let's get her done if I don't break a flex shaft inside there. Yep. It's almost time for a refill. I'm halfway done these suckers. I think 7 more to go. Carve your bottom pieces, people. Carve your bottom pieces. Good thing I had this big mug for my couple of cups of coffee. Too bad it's empty. But I'm done all my Christmas trees. I'm done all my Christmas trees. See the new shape, guys? Less complicated. This is less complicated than this type. You see how they don't underlap each other? These ones have to underlap each other here. Those are just straight across. Just put some big swirls in them. So they're ready for Christmas lights. Ready for Christmas lights. So, tomorrow I carve a 4-foot tall snowman with my chainsaws. And I must say, the one that carves the mug is the one that should hold the mug.